In front of me is ROG Phone 8, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Passwords and tap on Google Password Manager. Then click on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now select Edit next to Delete and change wherever you want to. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!